question comes out, I think I don't have to so too much about this question because this question is all about NCERT type question, and this you have to learn on that. This question comes out from the everyday in chemistry. Everyday in everyday life chemistry in everyday life is the most important test. It comes out to be 6 marks and most of the times in exams. So basically this question come out from this. If you learn from this chapter, then you can understand all these questions and can get scoring marks. At least you can easily score these type of marks. These marks are just too much easier. This answer is just you have to note it that this is also on second one, because as you can see, which oxide of nitrogen is not a common pollutant introduced in atmosphere, but so it is an type of pollutant. This is also a type of pollutant. This is also a type of, this is not. It's not a pollutant. It's not easily find it. It's not a common one. Actually, this type of question is very much easier, but I don't think you have to use your probability skills to just, if you learn from chemistry and everything, then it's much easier. Never ever leave that chapter because it's very much beneficial for your NEET exam. For NEET aspirant is very much easier. That you will learn first this type of chapter whenever you are free and learn all those parts. Then you can answer this type of question very much easily.